In this video, we will talk about factors. So the question says, which of the following is the definition of a factor? Well, the first part is a remainder when a number is divided by another. This is not a factor. The result of dividing a number by another. This is not a factor. The result of the product between one number and another. This is not a factor. In fact, this is the definition of a multiple. So a factor is a number that divides into another number and leaves no remainder. So this is the correct answer. Which of the following is a factor of 8? So to find which of the following is a factor of 8, it helps to list all the factors of 8 or all the numbers that divide 8 and leave no remainder. Well, 1 is such a number, 2 is such a number, 4 is such a number, and 8. So these are the numbers that divide 8 and leave no remainder. So we just have to go in the answers and see which one of these comes up. And it looks like from all of these answer choices, 2 is a factor of 8. Which of the following is a factor of 26? Well, to find which of the following answer choices is a factor of 26, we have to list all the factors of 26 or all the numbers that divide 26 and have no remainder. So 1 divides 26 and leaves no remainder. 2 divides 26 and leaves no remainder. 3 doesn't divide 26 and leave no remainder. And 4. So 4 divides 20 and 24 and doesn't divide 26. 5 doesn't divide 26 and 6 does not divide 26. And 7 doesn't divide 26, and so does 8, 9, 10, and 11, and 12. However, 13 does divide 26, and also 26 does divide 26. I don't think I left out any other factors of 26. So it sure looks like 13 is a factor of 26 because 26 divided by 13 is equal to 2. So 2 does not divide 36. Oh, 2 does divide 36, but it's not part of these answer options. So this is your correct answer choice. Which of the following is a factor of 56? Well, to find which of these answer choices is a factor of 56, we have to list out all the factors of 56. So the factors of 56 are 1, and 2, and 4, and 7, and 8, and 14, and 28, and 56. So these are all of them, and they go in pairs. So that pairs with that, this pairs with this, and then this pairs with that, and this pairs with this. So, for example, this means that 56 is 7 times 8. So now we just have to look at these answer choices and see which one of these factors of 8 appears in the answer choices. And it looks like we have 7. So 7 is the correct answer for this problem. So the question is, what is the greatest common factor of 12 and 36? Well, to find the greatest common factor of 12 and 36, we just have to list out all the factors of 12 and 36. Okay. And so the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Okay. And the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, and how many times? Well, we have to figure out if 4 is a factor of 36. Well, 4 goes into 40 and goes, so 4 is a factor of 36. and then 6 is a factor. 7, 8 is not a factor. 9 will be a factor of 36. And then 12 will be a factor of 36. And what is 36 divided by 2? Well, 36 divided by 2 is 18. So 18 will be a factor of 36. And then 36. Okay, cool. So now we just want to find the greatest common factor of 12 and 36. So we just go through the list. Well, actually, it's easier if we start off on this side and go that way and just see the first number that we come across. So 36, no. 18, no. And if you look carefully, 12 appears on both lists coming from the biggest numbers, or the side of the biggest numbers. So 12 is the greatest common factor of 12 and 36. And this is an easy way to find what the greatest common factor of 12 and 36 is. What is the greatest common factor of 28 and 49? Well, to find the greatest common factor of 28 and 49, you just have to come up with a list of factors of 28 and a list of factors of 49, and then compare the list and find the biggest number. Well, the factors of 28 are 1 and 2 and 4 and 7 and 14 and 28. So we're just listing all the numbers that divide 28 and leave no remainder. And the factors of 49 are 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 and 49. So again, if we're trying to find the highest common factor, we just need to get the biggest number in both these lists, and it happens to be a 7. So the highest common factor of 28 and 49 is a 7.